Hi, welcome you all with the special crab curry. Really special for everyone and people are very anxious for the crab curry. See how I'll make. First you take out the small legs from the crab and also take out the scales of the crab, and now I am smash the claws of the crab. See how I am showing, and it's very really difficult. If you don't smash like this, it is very difficult to eat. And if you smash, then it is easy to mix with masala. See, you smash and like this have to make the claws, and the body parts also you can take 2 pieces. People are doing with also pieces, but I am taking it as whole. Now take the oil with the pan, fry it nicely. When you will fry it, it comes really nice color, like red color. It's already fried, fried when it comes the red color. And now I also take out, yes, it's look yummy color, and fry it, then it comes really different flavor. And also some people are doing without frying. You can make it also without frying. See, now put the pan with oil and take little bay leaf, elaichi and cinnamons, fry nicely. Then put the onion and red chili. I am doing the red chili crab, and it's red chili in crab, it's really yummy. And now it shall take the ginger garlic paste, season nicely, and take the cut tomato with the masala, mix it properly, add the salt and turmeric powder according to your taste, mix properly, with add and season with little water. Then only you can add the chili powder. You can take potatoes as you want, without potato also you can take, and more potato also you can take. Now you add little cumin and coriander powders, small quantity you can add. Then only you can mix with the little water and season properly. And it's time to mix with the crab, nothing to more, just mix with the crab and masala. But you have to little more time to mix with masala and crab. When it season properly, then only you can add water. Water also you can add as your taste, as you want the spices. It's really yummy. People are very anxious for this crab curry. You cover for little time. You take out. I take only potatoes to know which time it will be ready for the crab. You only easy to know when potato boil properly, then you can know easily the crab curry is ready. See, it's already prepared your crazy crab. Now serve with the garnish with the coriander leaves and taste and give all of your family member. Thanks you for watching this video, and if you like, then you can share and subscribe.